Hello everyone, this is Certified Public Accountant from Istanbul Kota Business Group. In Turkey, company establishment procedures take an average of 3 business days. This period may be extended by 1 or 2 days depending on the intensity of the official institutions. If there is no problem, all registration procedures can be completed within this period, and the company is ready. I will explain the company establishment procedures step by step. Make preliminary preparations. To establish a company in Turkey, you must first determine the address where you will receive service. You must agree on the establishment of the company and monthly accounting services. Because foreigners cannot establish a company in Turkey without an accountant. If you are going to establish a company at a virtual office address, you should also agree on virtual office fees. The most important thing to pay attention to is to work with a team experienced in establishing companies in Turkey for foreigners. The right team contributes to the healthy progress of your business. First day, when the company establishment process begins, the first things to do is to get passport Turkish translations from the notary. This process takes approximately 1 hour. Secondly, the company founder is personally registered at the tax office and a Turkey personal tax number is obtained. This process takes approximately 1 hour. Thirdly, the company founder is personally registered in the Turkish trade registry system by us. This process takes approximately 2 hours. Fourthly, the details of the company to be established are determined and the company main contract are prepared. All details such as the company's title, capital, and address are written in the articles of association. Company main contract is preparing by us. We are checking all details according to Turkish laws. It takes approximately 4 hours for the articles of association to be ready. After the company's article of associations are finalized, it is entered in the trade registry system and appointment is made with the Chamber of Commerce for the company's establishment procedures. The Chamber of Commerce appointment is usually made 2 days later. If the Chamber of Commerce is very busy, the period may be extended by a few days. Second day, all documents required for the company's Chamber of Commerce registration process are prepared by us. The necessary procedures are done by us on the second day. The company founder does not need to come on the second day. Third day, today is the day of the appointment. If the appointment is made for the third day, the procedures are done on this way. At the appointment time, the chamber of the company representative and the sworn translator are present at the chamber of commerce. The company representative signs the company's establishment documents accompanied by the sworn translator. If there are no problems, the Chamber of Commerce registration procedures are completed in approximately 3 hours. After the Chamber of Commerce registration, to go to notary, the company's manager signature circular is obtained from the notary and accountant power of attorney is issued to us. Notary procedures are also completed in an average of 3 hours. After that, if there is time, we will complete the company's tax office registration on the same day. If there is no time, the same day, the tax office registration process is carried out in the morning of the next business day. Fourth day, the company's registration with the tax office is completed. We have the company's stamps made and we prepare all details, all the official documents of the company. We give these documents to the company officer. After this, the company is ready to do business. If the company officer wishes, he can apply to the banks with the company documents on the fourth day. He can open a bank account for the company in the banks. It should also be noted that these are average times. When official institutions were not busy, we sometimes completed the establishment process in 2 days. Sometimes the process took up to 5 days because the institutions were busy. To establish a company in Turkey, we recommend that you plan at least 5 working days, and it would be useful to arrive early in the morning to start the process. It is enough to come to our office with your passport. We prepare all the necessary documents. We carry out all official registration procedures quickly. In summary, company formation process takes 3-4 business day. If you want to establish a company in Turkey, contact us. We can establish your company as turnkey. We are providing also virtual business address. We are doing all legal process for you. I hope these informations will help you for your business. Have a good day. Regards.